Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 8A, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up the dialer app right here and go to Contacts. From here, tap on three dots, go to Settings area, and you will find Import and Export section. So let's choose that. And we're interested in the first half of it, which is the import, and import from SIM right here. And then this will provide you with all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So all you need to do is select the ones that you want to import. If you want to import all of them, simply tap on the box right here. Otherwise, you can just select them individually like so. But assuming we want all of them, select them all, import next to it, and we're interested in importing it to the device. Now, if you would be connected to a Google account, there is a chance that it will also show up the Google account as an option to import it to, but because I'm not, it's only giving me phone option. And once you tap on it, the contacts are automatically imported. So as you can see now, they're duplicated all. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.